Good morning. I got a really nice Subaru here. This is a 2015 Outback. This one looks really good. It's in really good shape. Looks nice and white. Of course, it is all-wheel drive. And it's got quite a few options on it. Let's go through the exterior first and we'll go through those. It's got some Bridgestone all-season tires all around. And I'll start off by saying this one does have Subaru EyeSight, which gives it a ton of options, like safety options and convenience options, like adaptive cruise control. It does have moonroof. Let's check out the driver's seat from the back. It does have black cloth interior. It's got the big screen. We'll go through that. It does have power windows and locks and stuff like that. We've got a moonroof. Let me open that up. There we go. Let me back this up so I can see the shit. The sun is directly in the radio. That'll help a little bit. Okay. All right. So we got a ton of steering wheel options, Bluetooth, paddle shifters. We got the adaptive cruise control settings. To the left here, I'll open this door so you can see a little better. Looks like we got power liftgate, we got blind spot alerts, we got lane departure warning, and then we got a collision alert. Yeah, that's part of the Subaru EyeSight. Yeah, along with that, we got navigation, throw in reverse, should have a backup camera, we do. Looks like we got heated seats, climate control. This unit is automatic. Let me open that up. Looks like we got USB and AUX inputs here. Pull this thing back forward, sorry, 1 second. We'll have a look back at the back seat, trunk, and then finally under the hood. Looks really clean. Just open the trunk lid real quick. Again, it does have a power lift gate. Looks like it's got the nice rubber trunk mat, which is nice. And finally, let's have a look under the hood. This is a 4-cylinder, I believe it's a 2.5 liter. I'll have the exact specs on the website. Yeah, they've used this engine for a long time. It's a good, reliable engine from Subaru. And it's good on gas, too. So yeah, I hope this video helped out. Thanks for watching. Take care.